Welcome to Fantasy Fitness episode 1. My name is Devin. I'm with my co-host Goku. And today's video, we got the Oppression Olympics, folks. Celebrity style. That's right. All of these body positive celebrities are more triggered and hypocritical than ever. We have 3 people running this race. That will be Demi Lovato, Lizzo, and Tess Holliday. So let's see which one of them are taking home the gold this week. And in third place, we have Lizzo. Ever since her detox backlash, she has been doubling down with the body positivity, all right? And after she had her bravery moment of sliding into Chris Evans' DM, when I say bravery, I mean, girl just sent 3 emojis just showing she's trying to shoot her shot, but she was brave for that apparently to the world, right? But on TikTok, she was basically saying how the body positive movement has been hijacked. She was saying it was for bigger people, and now average people or people with the quote-unquote occasional roles have stolen it, and people are not being represented as they should for the bigger community, okay? My thoughts on that is like, sis, how do you have occasional roles? It's not like one week you have roles and one week you don't. Like, that's not the case. Like, sure, if they're sitting up, it's not as visible, but like if they sit down, girl, they got roles. That's not occasional roles. They got roles. And correct me if I'm wrong, but wouldn't it be that these people who are showing their occasional roles, wouldn't it be a good thing, a step forward? Like, hey, it's okay for like the bigger people. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Apparently not. But in my mind, that looks like a step forward for the bigger people. And I guess to kind of represent, the bigger people, she went to Instagram and recently just posted a nude photo, right? So let's take a look here. So we have Instagram up, and she recently just posted this picture. First of all, I want to say, literally at this point, Lizzo is just an IG model. Like, scroll down her Instagram, and it's nothing but like cheeks. I'm seeing her, a cheek shot. Cheek shot, cheek shot, cheek shot, cheek shot. Like, it's nothing but her showing her cheeks at this point. Nothing wrong with that, but I'm just saying, like, I don't see anything about music related or like body positive related in the sense of like love yourself. I mean, I guess if showing your cheeks is loving yourself, that's one thing. But all she does is just pretty much post half naked photos these days. But anyway, so she just posted this nude here. And she says, welcome to Taurus season. To celebrate, I want to give y'all this unedited selfie. Now, normally I would fix my belly and smooth my skin, but baby, I wanted to show you how I do it and natural. I'm excited to be partnering with Dove and the hashtag Dove Self-Esteem Project, which is helping to reverse the negative effects of social media and changing the conversation about beauty standards. Sis, you it's like you didn't post this just to show naturality. You posted this for Dove. You're sponsoring your partnership with Dove. Like, don't front. And if you go to all the comment section, it's like, it's you having no blemishes at all. LOL, sigh. I just admire you, friend. I want to drop the FaceTime pics. Nothing but who's this? The Mark Jacobs heart emojis. Like, everybody is giving her like heart eyes. A Taurus beauty. Everybody's giving her props. So this representation thing that people don't love bigger people, I'm calling BS on that. Because like literally every post I see of Lizzo's, a lot of it is just, oh my God, you're brave. You're beautiful. So that this doesn't make sense with representation. It's like, sis, there's already a lot of representation out there for the bigger folks. Like, what are you talking about? Last thing I want to point here about Lizzo, because like I said earlier, she was so brave. She was a strong woman, so brave to slide into Chris Evans' DM by sending these 3 emojis. I'm just like, because Chris Evans is a very handsome man, right? He's very fit. It feels like if Chris Evans looked like Black Jack, would this be the same case? Would she slide into Jack Black's DMs? That's all I'm saying in my opinion, or what I see with Lizzo. It's like her love me as I am, me being a bigger person. However, I love my men fit. That's all I'm saying with that one. But here we got the second place, got the silver prize, and this goes to Tess Holliday. Yes, folks, that's right. Tess Holliday, our F Your Beauty Standards queen. The same woman for the past couple years has been trying to tell us that she's healthy, now says the word healthy is bad and you should not use the word healthy. So pretty much one of Tess's followers, she commented on her photo, "You've been looking healthier than ever lately. Skin clear and glowy, eyes bright, hair silky, looking rested, energy for days, smiling and laughing more." Purple heart emoji. "I hope you feel as good as you look, girl." If one of my followers commented on my post that I would feel good about myself, that would make my day. I wish some would tell me, "You know what, Devin? Your skin is looking clear and glowy, hair silky, your energy, girl, you look rested." Because her girl don't sleep. But not in Tess Holliday's case. No, she didn't take it like that at all. Tess Holliday took it as, "I definitely appreciate your kind words, and I'm sending you all the love back. I would just ask that next time we not put the word healthy in there, because that's such a loaded word with negative connotations attached to it. Also, again, thank you, sis." Like, homegirl, that was your response? Healthy is a negative connotation? Like, why is it that people could call you beauty all day long? "You're so beautiful. Oh my God, you're my idol. I love you." She's like, "Oh my God, thank you so much. I appreciate all that. Thank you for the love, support." But then someone mentions the word healthy, which they weren't even talking about your body size. She was like, "Your skin, your hair, your energy." That's what she was talking about. But because she mentioned the word healthy, that's a problem. Like, why is healthy a problem, but the word fat isn't? Like, I'm just trying to think in their terms, right? Like, you can't say healthy because you say fat. Like, fat's okay, right? Like, here I have it posted up here on Tess Holliday's Instagram, where she posted, like, I guess she got a scorpion tattoo on her stomach, and it says, "Say your Scorpio rise without saying you're a Scorpio. Thank you at mbuns at strangelove.la for giving me my dream tattoo. I've wanted this tattoo for a while. I can gladly say that, in fact, I'm 50% hotter now. Don't blame me. I don't make the rules. Also, if you're fat and thinking about getting your stomach tattooed, this is your sign to do it. Hashtag F your beauty standards." Like, why is the word fat okay? I don't get this. I don't get where, first of all, she said she's 50% hotter now because of a tattoo. Like, what? Like, what people like me? I don't have tattoos. So what you trying to say? I'm not as pretty now because I have 0 tattoos? Like, I don't have no stomach tattoos. None. I have no tattoos on my body. So what? I'm 50% less now? 50% less hot now? Like, that's the way they think. It's so unreal. It's so unreal. That's the way they think. But like, this makes no sense. Which, where's the end of there with Tess Holliday? She's a whole trip. Oh, and gold place. We got Demi Lovato, folks, you know. "This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now." Yeah, I was a big Camp Rock fan. But yes, Demi Lovato gets gold place. First of all, in general, I just want to say, even this was not about like body positivity, Demi Lovato has been getting triggered so much lately, she would win gold no matter what, okay? Like, this girl was triggered about baby showers. Like, the gender reveal triggered her. So she's just naturally triggered these days. And in this case, Demi Lovato is triggered by a frozen yogurt shop, right? A local small business she's triggered by, because when she went there to get some frozen yogurt, they had diet foods such as sugar-free cookies. And she felt so triggered by this. She went to Instagram and complained about this situation, her experience, how she felt, pretty much trying to bash the small local business here, the Big Chill. She was trying to bash them, hashtag diet culture vultures. Now, I do understand that Demi Lovato has the ed, and that's not for me to make this sound lightly at all. You know, YouTube demonetization purposes here, calling it the ed. right? Like, I've dealt with Ed before, right? You see my fasting video, which check it out if you haven't, that I talk about that, what I went through with water fasting, how it came about. So this isn't to say that this isn't serious, it's not a serious issue. My issue with this though is the fact that she made her issue everyone else's issue, or she's trying to make her issue everyone else's issue. And then when she got called out for it, she made the worst apology video ever. Like, James Charles came up with a better apology video than her. In her apology video, everything was me, or kind of low-key blaming the company that they didn't label it for people with diabetes. Like, sis, why do they have to label sugar-free cookies like, this is for people who have diabetes? Like, no, they're sugar-free cookies. If you don't eat sugar-free cookies, then don't eat the sugar-free cookies. Because you're triggered by something does not mean you have to force that onto other people. What I love most is that she's just conveniently making all this noise around the time her pilot Hungry comes out, which talks about Ed, right? Like I said, not to make Ed treated lightly at all, but it's like, come on, girl. The timing here seems a little convenient that now you're talking about you're going to be calling out all of these companies around the time your show's coming out. Like, come on. I mean, are we shocked from the girl who, you know, has her own athletic wear at Fabletics to sell detox programs? Are we shocked that now when her TV show's coming out, now she's gonna sit there and call out these companies, like calling them out, I should say, because not really calling them out because they're not in the wrong in this situation? I feel like a lot of these things we're starting to pick up on, I just wish all their fans did, is the fact that they don't care. In the body positive community, these influencers do not care about you. They do not care. Their goal is to money. Like I said, every one of these people who are posting stuff, they just ironically post the products and deals they have. Somehow it's tied in. Somehow Love Your Body, sponsored by Dove. You know? So it's like they don't care. It's all about money, right? And if you think I'm full of it or I'm lying or I'm exaggerating things, just look at their posts. Look at every time they talk about body positive, somehow they're mentioning someone else. They're mentioning their podcast. They're mentioning a company. They're mentioning anything to get the bag from you because they know you're going to buy from them because they look similar to the way you look. That's just the truth about this, folks. These people do not care about you. They really don't. If they cared about your health, they will tell you to, yes, you should love yourself, have all the confidence in the world, take care of your skin, but also take care of your body. Make sure you're eating clean. Make sure you are getting appropriate amount of exercise, probably like 150 minutes a week. They will tell you these things, that you should love your body and take care of your body, but no, they don't do that. They sell you on things and try to hide it behind loving yourself. Just pay attention, folks. That's all I'm saying here. Well, this was episode 1 of Fantasy Fitness. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like the new series I just created right now. So, thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.